Hi everybody, welcome back to my Fleatale finds. I so truly appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you for joining me. So I recently purchased bags and bags and bags and bags of vintage and newer jewelry, and I put together another curated collection that I'm going to show you now. So I thought I would set the jewelry out and show you the pieces that are going to be in this collection. A lot of it is on the newer side, some vintage. The pieces are very different, very unique, and there is such a variety here that you could wear by itself, wear together. So I just wanted to go through a few or many of the pieces with you. So let's see. Here is this is a freshwater pearl necklace. It's three strands, and twisted. This is called a torsade. But I like the idea of this necklace like this. These are not cultured pearls. They are freshwater pearls. I perhaps will do a video sometime on them to explain to you the differences. But real pearls, very nice. Then there is this interesting looking necklace. Then there is this necklace, which also lends itself so nicely to so many things. I believe this is called howlite. It looks like turquoise, but it isn't. Still has a great look to it. Gives a southwestern look. You can wear it with so many different things, and this necklace is long. It can be, although there isn't any clasp, it can be doubled or give it sort of a sautoir look by putting a knot in the bottom of it. There are earrings in the slot. These are clipbacks. They are pearl cabochon earrings with a nice clear enamel over what looks like guilloche enameling. It isn't, but well, no, it isn't. But it still has that sort of Chanel kind of look going on with it. And along with that is, well, here's a cute little watch necklace. So here's a nice, sort of pave rhinestone piece. Here is, so just kind of the idea of the, again, torsade, multi-strand pearl. This is beaded and rhinestones, this necklace, and I don't know, just the idea of mixing and matching and the colors, and also lovely together. A nice pin, sort of has like a David Yurman kind of look to it. It's not Yurman, but it has that sort of feel to it. And look at this interesting necklace. So this necklace is by Chico's, and this has a clasp, and you can double it. You could probably even, kind of like my bracelets here, you can wrap it a few times around the wrist, so to be versatile with your jewelry. Here's, this is India. I believe it's made in India, but has a wonderful festive look to it. Little crystals, Austrian crystals in here, and teeny beads. Really nice beadwork on this. Then this piece has mother of pearl as well as the freshwater pearls that I was telling you about before. Nice mother of pearl piece. Just a great look. And again, mix and match and have fun and wear them together. It's the jewelry that really tells the story. There is this nice, this looks like they're ceramic beads, and they're very colorful, and each one has a different well, there are multiples of a few of them, and a lot of them, just the work that goes into this, the artistry. And again, it has a nice clasp on it. Then there is this necklace over here, which is behind me, and this one is R.J. Graziano. Has a very fun, summery look to it. Dress it up on a plain sort of sheath. Adjust the size. It could be worn longer, shorter, all lucite pieces. Then there's, speaking of the sort of howlite look, here is, so this is a faux turquoise center with crystal stones here. And then look at how sort of royal and regal these pieces are. And a lot of jewelry manufacturers, fine jewelry manufacturers, are actually making pieces like this in precious metals. This is a base metal, but still you can get the look. And this sparkles so lovely. Then there is this nice, this is like from the, I would say from the 50s, very popular at that time, to wear on a sweater. This is sort of like a cornucopia kind of look. They're sort of flowing out of this flower, and there are faceted Austrian crystal sparkly beads. Then there's this, another, this also looks to be howlite. I'm not really sure. These look like little bench beads in between. Also just has a very interesting, colorful look to it. And again, the mixing and the matching and the wearing of these, just taking a simplistic outfit and just embellishing it with all of this jewelry. Then here is just sort of a classic chain link Lucite Choker. Here is another just very interesting looking, this is actually from Aldo. All of the work that goes into this. I mean, because it's newer does not mean that it doesn't have wonderful artistry to it. And then there's this necklace, which is, just look at all of this fringe and these faux pearls at the end. And this is, these beads are glass on this, would appear to be a braided leather cord, and just a really amazing necklace, a real standout piece. And this one has rhinestones and a little embellishment in the center. Again, can be adjusted. Then here's another really interesting standout piece. Again, a simple dress, and you put this on and it really brings it alive and has movement to it and just a very interesting look. Then there is this piece here, which is modern monocle, and this is a it's a magnifying glass, and in a very sort of decorative kind of deco look. And the necklace is in the box. There are rings in this group. There are a lot of bracelets. These are by Amrita Singh, and they're just a lovely, lovely collection of Indian bracelets with would appear to be silk wrapped around the bracelet itself, and a lovely sound, a lovely look. There's a, this is kind of interesting, this is a vintage piece. This is a sterling silver compass. So if you get lost, you'll know which way to go. Other pins down here, I have a lot of bracelets. There are some Alex and Ani in here. There's a Native American beaded bracelet, or has the look of a Native American bracelet. There's mesh with rhinestones. There are a lot of this look of bracelets where you could put a whole group together. There's this wonderful, this is a stretch bracelet, but the stones are just unbelievable. There used to be a well, there was a designer who designed years ago using wonderful crystal stones like these, and did very well, and you could see why everybody wanted to wear these big, chunky, wonderful, sparkly pieces. There are the Alex and Ani, and then there are some bracelets back here. Here's the wedding cake jewelry that I mentioned in another video. Here is a wonderful sort of ID bracelet in silver tone, but it gives the look of sterling. A very nice faceted lucite bracelet, a few more stretch bracelets, and crystal and everything. So, and then there's more. Here's another wonderful, artistic, enameled, just lovely, lovely design. So that's it for this particular group of jewelry. I mean, there's more that I haven't shown you. There's some in the back. There's a nice ring. So this lot is going to be put onto Etsy, and as well as other lots, but I just wanted to show you this one curated lot, and please stay tuned for more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.